Oh, shit. Bang, bang, you're dead. Bang, bang, you're dead. Bang, bang, you're dead. Come on, Brody. Come on. Come on.
Are you hungry? Daddy got you something.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, shut up, I love it.
And then BAM! She got hit by a big ass truck. What?
So this is why boxers are my favorite breed. They always have this look on their face like they owe you money and they're really, really worried about it, and they're worried you're gonna ask for
Oh shit! Cabo.
I've just realized he doesn't want to play with you, Vicky. Harry, this is your brother.
Buggy! No! Come here.
Whoa.
Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby.
Hey, do you miss your brother? Do you miss your brother?
Yes, sir. Okay, thank you. Thank you. Machine is broken. Oh! Yo, what's up?
strong. Okay.
Oh my god.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming over there. I'm zooming over here now. And then I'm everywhere.
I turn around, look what she is. You not coming? She said no. Oh man, it's so pretty. Look at that.
People been looking at me. I'm just like, what you looking at, stranger?
Izzy, I know you hear me. You don't live here. You live next door. Next door, chickadee. Go home.
You're adopted. Yeah, you're not mine. You're adopted.
¡Suelta, hijos de la chingada! ¡Suelta, hijos de la chingada! What?
Diesel!
What? Would you stop?
Drip, drip, drip.
Are you stuck in the cat toy? What are you doing?
The most dangerous animal on this planet. A violent creature filled with hateful thoughts and a lust for blood. Teeth like razors to suck the meat from your bone. Yes, when all is said and done, she is a
Do you want my help? Oh, clever boy.
No idea if you're going to be able to get in this, but let's give it a crack. Hey Dusty, guess what? Try it out. Go on. Up. 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 Oh, you tried. One more go. Come on. Up. 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 Hey, don't get mad. No, don't get mad. You're not part of this. You are not part of this.
Ampon. Ampon. Ampon.
Oh my god. You okay, dude? Oh my god. What the heck is going on with your leg? You fat rolls. I apologize. I'm sorry.
Okay, you guys, come on.
Can I get a kiss? Do you want to give me a kiss? Can I get a kiss?
Oh, give mommy kiss.
Give me a kiss.
When your mom says be a good boy and don't wake the neighbors.
Down. Good job. Bang. Good boy. He's such a grumpus.
You pushed the nest. Put the fucking red rocket away now.
Hi.
Se lo va a llevar a...
When you leave the apprentice with the client's dog.
Your face is so dirty. You need a bath. Alright, get him down. He's dirty. He's dirty.
There we go. Thanks, buddy. Good boy.
Look at this shameless dog of mine sitting at someone else's table trying to have lunch with them. Absolutely. And she's getting food as well.
Clover, sit.
May I help you? Like, do we got a problem?
You better not go to sleep. As soon as your eyes shut, I'm gonna punch you square in the face.
Chip. Go upstairs. Do you like it?
It's okay. It's okay, Pug. We have like 1.5 more to go. I know it's hard. Okay? Pug! Pug, you have to stop. It's okay. Pug! Pug! Chill. Okay?
Daddy's gonna have to go away for a week. Pretty soon, Daddy's going away. And you're gonna have to stay with Mommy for a week. That's gonna be a problem? Is that gonna be a problem?
You guys literally just put a hole in the wall.
Юрич, успокойся.
Immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Ешь аккуратно.
Looking for my dog. Where is he? Lev.
Right there. No, move. Put it right there. Move. Leave your spot right here. Don't touch it. What?
Strider! Get out of here! I'm in the bathroom. Hey, ow!
Files behind Kevin's desk. Go put them all in random order. Okay, back here.
Stop biting her. I'm sticking up for you.
Oh my, he stepped on you. It's okay, baby. You okay?
Oh! Oh!
People been looking at me. I'm just like, what you looking at, stranger?
So good and tasty.
She can't get out of the blanket.
What are you doing?
Dame ayudarte, Nabila.
Are you guys hungry? If it's a yes, say, oh!
Excuse you? That was like a mile for you. Are you kidding?
Oh my god! Oh my god!
It's all gone. It's all gone. It's still all gone.
What are you doing?
Hey, it's gone. What the fuck?
There he is.
What did you guys do? What did you do? Holy shit. No. No, you guys.
Un video para decirle que te estás portando bien mal. ¿Qué estás haciendo? ¿Le estás tirando la ropa? ¿Le estás tirando la ropa a tu mamá? ¿O te portas? ¿O te portas bien? ¡Ay! ¡Ay! ¡Gida, no!
Sit down. Try it.
Where is it?
Oh my god, this one girl always staring at me, look.
We love you. We love you. I love you. I love you.
La la.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
She's swimming. That's what it says.
She is, yeah. You swimming?
Get off. Talk shit. Talk shit. Do not.
Tell me you have a golden retriever without telling me you have a golden retriever.
He's gonna. Loki, whisper. Yes, good boy. Good boy.
Okay, roll over.
Good job. That's such a good job. Oh!
See, I go leave it right here. Don't let nobody take it, okay? Yeah. Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god, he on X Games mode.
Hey little girl, did you have a snack? Did you have a little snack? Oh, was it the papers for the church? Look at me, you ungodly dog. What have you done?
Are you watching TV? Were you watching the sad commercial with all the puppies in the pound? Keep it up and you're gonna go there.
Callie, who's that? Oh, Callie.
We're coming up to an end of the month, and this is our September stick pile. All right, bud, leave it. Or don't leave it, just hit the car. Oh, good job, bud, good job.
You have a smooth brain. No ridges or lumps or valleys or bumps. All ideas slide right off, like a water slide. Smooth brain.
Do you have a problem with us holding hands?
What's up? Get
Get him. Get him. Get him. Got it on camera.
All right, you can go now. You had a little rest.
Wipe your feet. Good boy.
Sit down. Sit. Lola, stand up.
Párate.
Watching TV with a German Shepherd be like.
No.
It's time to get out. Pool time's over.
There you go.
Cumpla feliz, que lo cumpla feliz, que lo cumpla Amparo, que lo cumpla feliz.
Saber. You guys, is this a cat? What is it? Say Otis. Otis. Oh my gosh.
Therapy dupe! Oh my god, a therapy dupe!
Eso Ronnie, eso Ronnie, eso Ronnie.
Igual que Nicki Minaj meneándose para que sus implantes vuelvan a acomodarse.
Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming in my room. My zoom is off forever. My zoom is all together. Zoom, 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 zoom. I'm zooming over there. I'm zooming over here now. And then I'm everywhere. Zoom, 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 zoom. I see you.
You gonna get a bath, man. You gonna get a bath. You gonna get a bath.
Earlier I went on a walk outside and I saw a dog with a ball. And so I gave him a treat. And then I asked him, "Are you hungry?"
I'm fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am. I'm fast.
Excuse me. Excuse me, sir. What do you think you're doing? Hello? Hans? What are you doing?
Excuse me. Hey. No, ma'am. No. There.
You gonna get a bath, man. You gonna get a bath. You gonna get a bath.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Don't do it.
Do not
Don't
do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it.
Don't do it. Don't do it. Don't do it.
Where's your guys on reservations? Excuse me? Yes? No, great.
He does not mess around.
Immediately no. Immediately no. Immediately no. I'm telling you right now, I seen what I needed to see.
Where are you gonna go? Where you gonna go? Oh, ouchie!
Oh, it's okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Yeah.
He's like, I don't get it, guys.
Move, bitch!
You okay?
Does anyone else have a dog that when they like make a toot sound, their dog like thinks it's them? Watch. Sorry. It was.
¿Dónde está Mía? ¡Ay, vente, bebé! Vente, Mía. Vente con mamá. Yo soy tu mamá. Vente con mamá. Oh, I'm so scared right now. I don't know what to do.
Do you want it or not?
I mean, yeah. I don't know what to do. Vente. Yo soy tu mamá.
Let it
Yo
go.
soy tu mamá. No, I'm really scared right now for my life.
Do it,
¿Qué hago? ¿Qué hago, Mike? ¿Qué hago?
I'm gonna take